You know, one of the great things about the Southern scene is we love walking around the streets of Savannah, the Coastal Empire, and Low Country, and highlighting local businesses. And have you been to Wright Square lately? Believe me, business is booming. I mean, you won't believe everything they have to offer. And here's the thing. Whoever says money can't buy you happiness, well, they haven't been in one of my favorite places, Simply Irresistible. Hi, Mona. And there are my old friends. Hi, David.
Hi.
And there's Charlie.
Hi, Natalie. How are you
Charlie,
today?
It's always good to see you. I love coming in Simply Irresistible.
Thank you. We appreciate that.
I absolutely love it. You know, every time I come in here, it's so colorful and so classy. And no matter what I'm looking for, I can always find something. What is it that really makes Simply Irresistible unique and special?
We have about 98% of our merchandise is handmade by American artists. We feature the gift items that are handmade versus a gallery type store, so that people can find things at reasonable prices.
And I'm so glad that you said that, because no matter what you're looking for, if you're looking for something for yourself or if you're purchasing a gift for a special person in your life, I mean, you guys normally have something unique for everybody, and it fits every budget. Now, Charlie, I know you guys have an assortment of cards. Tell me about Shannon Martin.
We just love Shannon Martin because of her product line. It's so unique. She has magnets, luggage tags, pill boxes, notes, even cocktail shakers.
What really makes Shannon Martin really unique, though?
The photos that you see here are mostly from her family photos and those of some friends of hers. But what you see is, like for instance, when I look at this, I said, oh my gosh, my mom had a hat like that. My mom had a dress like that.
It brings back so many special memories
for people. They all do it. Plus her saying she has really the sense of humor to go with everything that the pictures. Somehow she can really put the words to the pictures. It's this card line and mug line over here. Part of the revenues goes to ovarian cancer research.
To ovarian cancer research. Now, what is this called? It's just called That's All. Say It Like It Is. I love that.
It's by a lady named Karen out of Michigan. And these cards are just hysterical.
Now, what makes these really hysterical and really unique?
Because a lot of them are irreverent.
And on the inside, they all say the same thing.
They'll say, happy birthday, that's all.
That's all.
And the top selling mug, for instance, it says, I'm sorry, you're old. That's all.
Oh, I love that. I'm sorry, you're old. That's all. You're a horrible driver. Happy birthday. That's all. I love that. And you know, I bet everybody stands back here and just has a ball reading these cards.
Laugh out loud. And that when we have them in the window, they all stand outside and people just laugh like you wouldn't believe.
When you shop this line, not only are you getting something unique and special when it comes to a great card and a great saying, but you're helping out a wonderful cause.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I think it's time for me to check out, Charlie.
All right, it's been good having you.
Items. Well, David and Charlie, it's always great to see you guys.
Well, thank you for coming in and shopping with us. We always appreciate seeing you.
And you always have me covered.
All right. We hope you come back soon.
See, money can buy you happiness and a whole lot more at Simply Irresistible.